In this video, we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth on Windows 10 couldn't connect. Method 1. Turn Bluetooth off and on. Click on bottom right corner, then click on Bluetooth. Wait for 10 seconds, then click on Bluetooth and check if it works for you. Method 2. Reset Bluetooth device connection. Click on Start icon, open Settings, select Devices, click on Problematic Device, select Remove Device, and click on Yes. Then, restart your PC. Put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select your option and add your Bluetooth. Then check if it works for you. Method 3. Run Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Click on Start icon, open Settings, select Update and Security. On the left, click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Additional Troubleshooters. Select Bluetooth. Then run the troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 4. Restart Bluetooth services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. Here, you have to restart Bluetooth Support Service and Bluetooth User Support Service. Right-click and select Restart for both services. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.